guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. So I am so excited to partner up with Home Depot, so I want to take this opportunity to thank them for sponsoring this video. This will be one of 3 videos. In this video I'm going to show you guys how my patio currently looks. I do have people coming to get the pieces that I'm going to get rid of. I could have sold these pieces because they are still in amazing condition, but I definitely want it to be a blessing to someone else, especially during this trying time. And speaking of being a blessing to someone else, Home Depot is also sponsoring a giveaway over on Instagram, so I will leave all of that information for you guys down in the description box below. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to give you guys a tour of my patio as it currently is. Like, I didn't do any prepping or any cleaning. Just wanted to give it to you guys raw and real life. But I cannot wait to make over this space. This is probably one of my favorite spaces in our home because I love being outdoors, but it's also going to be perfect for getting together with the family, especially after all that we've all been dealing with in terms of social distancing and things like that. It's going to be great to celebrate and spend time with family. Just can't wait. So I want to take this time that I have to make my outdoor space an oasis, something that I'm going to love and cherish for years and years and years to come. So without any further ado, let's take a view of the patio, and I'm going to kind of discuss my plans for designing and the decor and things like that. So in the next video, I'll be giving you guys a shop with me. So we're going to pick all the pieces and get everything together. And then in the third video, we'll do a reveal. So for today's video, let's hop into the tour. So one thing before we hop into today's video, you have to pinky promise me that there will be no judgment. So before I show you this tour, like this real life tour, I know it needs to be clean and pressurized and all that, but we're gonna enter into the no judgment zone. Pinky promise? All right. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now that you are taking a look at this mix matched situationship that I currently have going on here, I think you will agree that is definitely a time for a refresh. So one of the things I wanted to point out was like all of the pollen, and so even though our patio is covered, our pillows still take a beating from the weather, the rain, the pollen, you name it. And then, you know, of course the pillows are always being blown over from the wind or the rain, and so I just didn't fix anything. I wanted to share with you guys how it actually looked. Over here is a 2-piece set that we got from Home Depot a few years ago. It is currently in excellent condition. I really hate to part with it because it's great for taking amazing naps, but I want something more cohesive for this space. So speaking of cohesiveness, let's kind of go over the design plan. So I love this set here. I do want to do this whole chair ottoman combo again with the new set. So I am thinking of moving these 2 chairs, however, to another space on the patio. So I will take these 2 chairs and place them over in this area. And then maybe put like ottomans over here, or maybe I'll do a sofa on that side and a sofa on this side and the 2 chairs in this area. I think so. And then when I move these 2 chairs, I will open up the space for the greenery wall. And I would love to take this rug and try to recreate a greenery wall, or maybe use some foam board from the Home Depot to create a faux greenery wall and cut it down if this rug does not work. And then maybe take our monogram and put it on the greenery wall. In this area, I'm thinking some type of gas grill. And then for this table, I'm thinking a DIY for the bar table and moving it over in this area if I have the space. Of course, this table is going to be gone, and then these pieces will be gone. So that is what I'm currently thinking. I want maybe just all of this area to be very neutral, very tranquil, and very relaxing. So that is the overall look that I'm going for in this space. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. I can't wait to share with you guys the next step. So we're going to go shopping together. Along with the shopping, we're going to clean. So if you guys have any tips for cleaning our patio and pressurizing our patio and, you know, getting it all ready for summer and celebrations, be sure to leave those tips down below. Some of your favorite cleaning supplies and, you know, maybe some of your favorite plants. I don't have a green thumb, but I would like to include some live plants on my patio this time. So let me know some plants that you think will be very easy for me to take care of. The sun here rises on the east and it sets on the west, so let me know, you know, what plants and, you know, would do well with that type of sunlight. So let me know all of that down in the comments below, especially those of you guys who have green thumbs. So I'm definitely going to do my very best to make it beautiful and very botanical and relaxing and just a beautiful haven for my family and I. So I can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited. So you guys stay tuned for all of the other parts of the reveal.